guys, today I'm teaching you how to share your Amazon cart in 2025. If you want to send your shopping list to friends or family, this quick guide will show you how to do it step by step. First, open the Amazon website or Amazon app and make sure you sign in to your account. Add the items you want into your shopping cart. On desktop, go to your cart page and look for the Share Cart or Share Link option. This feature lets you generate a shareable link. Click copy link and send it through text, email, or any messaging app. If you don't see the share button, you can use Amazon's list feature instead. Click accounts and list, then choose your list. Create a new list. Move your cart items there and set it to public or shareable. Then click share to get a link you can send to anyone. This works the same way on the mobile app. Just open your list and tap share list to copy the link. And that's how to share your Amazon cart in 2025. Perfect for gift planning or group shopping with friends. If this helped, check out my other quick Amazon tutorials.